It's Jessie from Lakeshore, and I have 2 science activities to share with you today. Each of these activities is easy to do at home, and they're sure to keep your kids engaged and learning. For our first activity, you will need a bowl, some water, and several small objects you don't mind getting wet. Don't forget your child's journal or sheet of paper. Fill a sink or large bowl with water and test the small objects you found to see if they sink or float. Draw something that floats in the journal or on your paper. Now, challenge your child to think of even more things around the house that might sink or float. In the next activity, you will be working together to test several scientific principles. Using a sheet of paper, show your child how to make a paper airplane. Test how far it can fly. Work with your child to change the airplane's design to see if you can make it go even farther. I hope you've enjoyed these quick learning activities. Check out lakeshorelearning.com for more simple and fun ways to learn at home.